Qualifications-Based Selection, step by step. Step 2. Issue a request for qualifications. A request for qualifications, or RFQ, is used to obtain the credentials of interested professional firms. Public owners may also be required to advertise for interested professional design firms. When the list of firms is compiled, the owner should send the following material to the firms: a memo to all firms invited to submit statements of qualification, a list of information that should be included with the firm's statements of qualifications, a schedule of planned activities in the selection process, a scope of work statement, and any requirements for equal opportunity employment, minority business, small business, and women-owned business participation. The owner's representative listed on the memo requesting qualifications should be prepared to handle telephone calls and should be authorized to respond to questions. If a question from one firm reveals that important information is missing from the materials originally sent, all of the firms should be supplied with the information in writing. This is sometimes issued as an addendum to the request for qualifications. If you issue an addendum, it's best to do so as soon as possible and at a minimum 3 days before the submittal deadline.